It's no secret that penguins are amazing birds. They can do things that other birds can't do. They can survive in some of the harshest conditions on Earth, and they're just really freaking cute. But there's one thing that really makes penguins stand out: their ability to survive in some of the coldest places on Earth. In fact, these flightless birds are so well adapted to life in the extreme cold that they've been able to thrive in some of the coldest places on Earth. So what makes penguins so cold? Hardy, let's dive into this, Waddle. The obvious. There are many species of penguins, but we're going to focus on one for this video: the emperor penguin. Emperor penguins live in the Southern Ocean and can be found on the ice shelves and rocky coasts of Antarctica. These birds typically stand about 1 meter tall and can weigh up to 45 kilograms. They have thick layers of blubber and feathers that help them stay warm in the freezing temperatures, but it's their ability to huddle together that really helps them survive. You see, when temperatures drop below 0 degrees Celsius, the penguins form massive groups called huddles. The penguins huddle together for warmth, taking turns in the middle of the circle where it's warmest. This helps them conserve energy and stay alive during the harsh Antarctic winters. Huddling also helps protect the penguins from predators. When the penguins are huddled together, it's difficult for a predator to get close enough to strike. Additionally, the penguins take turns at the edge of the huddle, keeping an eye out for predators and sounding alarms if necessary. In addition to their huddling behavior, penguins also have a number of physiological adaptations that allow them to survive in cold temperatures. For example, penguins have a high concentration of blood vessels near their body surface, which helps them to radiate heat more effectively. They also have a special gland between their toes that helps to keep their feet from freezing. And because they're flightless, they don't need to worry about keeping their wings warm, unlike their flying cousins. All of these adaptations allow penguins to thrive in some of the coldest places on Earth. But it's not all good news. Climate change is having a major impact on the penguins' habitat. As temperatures rise, the ice shelves where penguins huddle and lay their eggs are melting, making it more difficult for them to survive. Additionally, as the climate warms, there are more days when the sea ice is too thin for the penguins to dive through in order to find food. This means that penguins are having to swim farther and dive deeper in order to find food, which takes more energy and increases the risk of drowning or being eaten by predators. Climate change is also causing more storms, which can break apart the ice shelves where penguins huddle, leading to the loss of life. All of this is happening at a time when the penguins are already under pressure from other human activities, such as fishing and tourism. There are some things that we can do to help protect penguins from the effects of climate change. One thing we can do is to reduce our own carbon footprint by using less energy and making more sustainable choices. We can also support organizations that are working to protect penguin habitat and educate others about the importance of penguin conservation. Penguins are amazing creatures that are well adapted to survive in some of the coldest places on Earth. Their ability to huddle together for warmth, combined with their thick layers of fat and feathers, allows them to thrive in the freezing temperatures of the Antarctic. However, climate change is posing a serious threat to penguins and their habitat. By understanding the challenges they face, we can work to protect these amazing birds for generations to come. Now it's time to hear from you. What do you think is the coolest thing about penguins? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about penguins or other cool topics, stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching. See ya!